Hello there, this is Lindsay with Off the Beaten Hook, and in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate for you the double crochet bobble stitch. I love this fun stitch. I use it a lot in my toy making for fingers, toes, nostrils. So it's a really fun and easy stitch to learn how to make to add a little flair. So I'll go ahead and dive right in. And you're basically going to be making several double crochets into the same stitch, dependent on how big you need your bobble to be. So to begin, I'm going to make my bobble stitch right in this very next single crochet right here. I'm going to do a 4 double crochet bobble. You can do a 2 double crochet bobble, a 3, a 5, however big your pattern calls for, however big you are looking for in your own project. I use a 4 double crochet bobble quite a bit, so I'll go ahead and do that one. So the first thing you're going to do is take your yarn, you're going to yarn over and put your hook into that single crochet, that next stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook there. So for your regular double crochet, what you would be doing here is of course yarning over again and pulling it through these final 2 loops on your hook. But for the bobble stitch, you're going to be doing sort of this first step that I just did several times into the same stitch before you do that final yarn over and pull it through all of the loops. So since I'm doing a 4 double crochet bobble, I'm going to do that step that I just did 4 times into this same stitch before I finish it off. So that was 1. So for the second one, go ahead and yarn over, push it through that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and again, just through the first 2 loops on your hook there. So you'll see now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to just leave those hanging out for now. So for the third time, yarn over, push it through that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull just through the first 2, leave those hanging out there again for one more time for the 4 double crochet bobble, yarn over, pushing it through that same stitch, yarning over, pull up a loop, yarn over, first 2 loops. So you'll see for the 4 double crochet bobble, you end up having 5 loops on your hook. Of course, this one was the one that you very first had already on your hook before you started your bobble. So these are the 4 that we just did, the first step of a double crochet. For your final move here, you're going to do a yarn over, and you're going to pull all the way through all 5 loops on your hook. So you have this cluster of double crochets. And now to create your little pop bobble, you're going to make a single crochet into this very next stitch. And you can see here it's sort of tempting to finish your stitch here, but this is popping to the wrong side. So just make sure you kind of push it up from the back. Make sure it's popping to the right side of your project, whichever side it's supposed to pop on. Finish off that single crochet in the back. Make sure it's nice and tight. And there you have your little bobble. So I'll go ahead and do one more here into this next stitch. So you're yarning over, pushing it into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, leaving those on the hook. Yarn over, push it through, yarn over, pulling it up through the first 2, that's for 2, yarn over, push it through your same stitch, for 3, one more, yarning over, push it through, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pulling it through just those first 2. And now you'll see again, you've got your 5 loops on the hook. Yarning over one more time, pulling through all of those at the same time. I did those ones a little bit tighter. For your little cluster, securing it with a single crochet. And based on your pattern, your project. This last stitch, kind of what I'm calling the one that secures it, it could be a half double, could be a double, you know, sometimes it's even done in the same stitch. It just depends on your pattern to just sort of, you know, make those clusters bobble out. So there you go. So cute, so fun. Now again, we did a 4 double crochet bobble. I will really quickly demonstrate for you. I had 2 double crochet bobble just so you can see how it's the same. You're going to be doing the very same steps, but instead of doing it 4 times, there was 1, you're going to do it 2 times for a 2 double crochet bobble. And you can, so I did that 2 times into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through those 3 loops. Just quickly so you can see a different size. So you can kind of see how that one's quite a bit smaller, so you can just do it for whatever is appropriate for your project. So there you have it, the double crochet bobble stitch.
Don't forget to join our website offthebeatenhook.com for lots of free patterns, video tutorials, and tons of downloadable essential crochet resources. Happy hooking!